Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling motorcycles in the market. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, this bike continues to be a favorite among daily commuters. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple yet attractive design. With stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and a practical build, it is designed to handle everyday riding with ease. Its lightweight body makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and dependable performance. It offers enough power for daily commuting while maintaining excellent fuel economy, making it a budget-friendly choice for riders. Comfort and features. Hero has equipped the Splendor Plus with a comfortable riding position, durable suspension, and an easy-to-read instrument cluster. The bike is designed to provide a comfortable experience for both short and long rides. Mileage and reliability. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero Splendor Plus is its impressive mileage. Combined with Hero's trusted reliability and affordable maintenance costs, it remains a practical option for millions of riders. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus is a perfect motorcycle for those looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable commuter bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more motorcycle reviews and updates.